In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Stripe support in just 5 minutes. This quick tutorial will guide you through each step to ensure you can connect with the help you need without any hassle. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head on over to stripe.com. Make sure you're on the official website to ensure all your interactions are secure and as intended. Once you're there, you'll notice a sign in button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on that to proceed. After clicking sign in, you'll be directed to a login page. Here you'll enter your registered email address and password. Remember to double check your credentials before proceeding to avoid any login issues. Once your details are accurately filled in, click on the sign in button again to gain access to your Stripe dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your Stripe dashboard. Look towards the upper right corner and locate the help icon, which is usually represented with a question mark symbol. Click on this icon to open a menu that will guide you to additional assistance options. Next, from the drop-down menu, you should see a link to the support center. Go ahead and click on this link and you'll be taken to a page filled with resources and articles designed to assist you with common issues and questions. For more personalized assistance, find and click on the support team link. This action is available specifically if you're using a live account. It will enable you to reach out directly to Stripe support representatives. However, if you are working from a test account, you might not have the option to contact the support team directly. But don't worry, there's still plenty of help available. Navigate through the support articles section to find information relevant to your needs. Sometimes exploring these articles can provide you with the solutions you're looking for. Should you need further help, scroll down on the support page until you find the Contact Support option. Clicking here will prompt you to select a topic that best describes your issue or concern. Doing so ensures that your query reaches the right people who can provide the most accurate advice or resolution. By following these steps, you're ensuring that you get the quickest and most effective assistance that Stripe can offer. This process is user-friendly and designed to make it easy for you to find exactly what you need, whether it's a simple query or more complex technical support. Remember, accessing the right support can make all the difference, so don't hesitate to use these resources whenever necessary. And that's